Let me show you a legit platform that pays you real money just for listening to songs. Literally. I'm talking about getting paid up to $3 just for playing your favorite songs. But the real question is it even possible for listeners to get paid for playing songs? Cause I thought music artists were the ones getting paid whenever their fans stream their songs. I know it sounds too good to be true, but that was exactly what I also thought when this platform was recommended to me some time ago. In fact, there's another platform that pays you as high as $8 for doing exactly the same thing, but I'll review that at the end of this video. So no matter what happens, make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss it. I know you are here for a reason and I don't want to waste your time, so let's jump right in. So this is the website where you are going to get paid for listening to music. It says your new ultimate profitable cloud storage. So this is the website where you are going to get paid for listening to music or uploading music, or even having people to listen to the music that you have uploaded. So for every music that you upload on this particular platform or you listen to, you get paid. The first thing we are going to do is to create an account. But before we create an account, before we sign up, I'm going to show you guys some of the features of this particular website. This is how much they pay you for every 1,000 downloads that you have on your files. For example, if you upload a song, for example, this is tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and tier 4. Tier 1, they pay you $7, and if you're under tier 2, they pay you $4. And same thing with tier 3, while tier 4 they pay you $3. Now what this simply means is just that if you have viewers or if you have people downloading your song from the tier 1 countries, that is US, UK, Australia and Canada, those people are from the tier 1 countries and they are going to be paid $7 for every 1,000 downloads that you get from those countries. If you scroll down here to this particular section, you are going to see all the tier. This is tier 1, US, Canada, UK and Australia, and tier 2 simply represents Germany, France, Japan and South Korea, while tier 3 is India, Brazil, Russia and China. Then the other parts of the world are under the tier 4. So this is what they pay you for every viewers or every person that comes to play your song or download your song from this particular tiers, these particular countries of the world. So for every 1,000 views or downloads, you get $7 for those in tier 1. Same thing apply with this and this. So we are going to move on to the next one. These are the payment proofs, guys. They've made a total of 67,971 payments, and total withdrawal that people have made on this platform is $365,598 in total. And these are the people that have withdrawn from this platform and the date that they have cashed out this money. Now let's move on. These are the payment options that are available on this platform. So you can withdraw using PayPal, there's Binance, there's PayPal, there's Payeer, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Payshare. And as you can see, guys, the average or the minimum withdrawal you can make into any of these accounts is $1. Not like those websites or those platforms that claim to pay you for performing some tasks and then they raise their minimum withdrawal to about $80 or $100. That is a sign that those websites are just not legit, because if they really want you guys to make money, they will not raise the withdrawal threshold to $80 or $100. But these guys are actually legit. That is why you can see that their minimum withdrawal threshold is $1. But I'm not saying that other platforms that raise their withdrawal threshold to $100 or $80 are not legit. I'm just saying most of them are not legit, and this is one way that you can use to discover or to decipher which one is actually legit or not. You can see the payment options and the minimum withdrawal for every payment option. So these are their payment options, and they pay you over $7 for every 1,000 downloads or 1,000 plays that you get on your songs. And guys, take note, these songs does not necessarily have to be your songs. I'm going to show you guys how you are going to get songs from websites, copyright free songs that you can use on this platform and start getting paid. So you don't even need to be an artist, but if you're an artist, you even have more advantage because you have your own songs. But if you are not, I'm going to show you a website where you can get free songs free from copyright that you can use on this platform, that you can upload on this platform and get paid for every 1,000 downloads or 1,000 plays you get from those songs. Now guys, to get a song that you are going to upload on this particular website, what you need to do is go to this particular platform. pixabay.com. Now these guys have lots of royalty free stocks and images, even songs. So what you are going to do is when you come on this website, you don't even need to create an account to join them or whatever. You just simply scroll to the music section and click on that. You are going to have lots of music, over 100,000 free music that are copyright free. The reason why we are using music from this site is because this particular platform does not allow you to use music that is not yours. They only allow copyright free music that you have right to use. And the best place to get copyright free music is on Pixabay. So when we are here on this particular section, what you need to do is you are going to go through this music library that you have here, or you can even search for any song you want. If you already have a song in mind that you know, you can go through this music library and then look for a song that you are going to download, that you upload also on that platform. So I have this. You can decide to play any song you want to. So you can decide to play any of these songs. So you just keep playing these songs to find out which one that you feel is best for you, because you don't need to download all these songs. Just find the one that you feel is best for viewers, that people are going to love to download, and upload it on this platform. So if you take any kind of songs that do not appeal to people or are not interesting, those songs are not going to get downloaded and you will not make money on this platform. So we'll just look for any song that we love. So I can even decide to search for hip hop. Okay, now we have some search results here, so I'll just select this. Let's play this to see what it sounds like. Okay, so I'm going to download this particular one. You can see it says, by downloading you agree to our license, donate, whatever. So the song is already downloading, as you can see here, right here on my download folder. It's already here downloading. So I'm going to close this and wait for the song to download. Or if you don't want to download a song from this particular website, you have the one you want to use, that's fine. So what we'll do next is just we are going to go back to that platform and create an account. So when we click on sign up, it's going to bring us to a page where we are going to create an account. And as you can see right here, we are going to type in a username, an email, a password, and then we are good to go. Click I'm not a robot and then sign up. These are the terms of use. You need to read this carefully before you accept. I'll just click on agree and we are good to go. So right now we'll need to log in again after our account has been created. So I'll just type in my username again, then my password. Okay, so right now as you can see, our account has been created. So what I need to do right now is we'll just go to my account, go to dashboard. This is what our dashboard looks like. As you can see, this is our account balance, $0, because we haven't done anything. So when we have money, we can then request for a payout. Right now we have $0, and our referrals, we don't have any referral yet. Now look at this, guys. This is where you have your referral link in case you want to invite more people, but that's not why we are here, guys. So I'm just going to go down. I'll go down to files to upload my files. So I'll click on my files. As you can see here, we don't have any files uploaded. We'll just go to upload a file from this particular section. Click on upload a file. I'll close this. Now listen carefully, guys. See what they say. They say please ensure that your files do not violate the rules of our child abuse policy. Do not bear such responsibility for the files you upload. Any violations may expose you to legal penalties. That was why I said you need to be very careful of what you post. Make sure you have right to use those songs that you're going to use. So I'll just click on upload files, or I'll click and drag my file here. So I'm going to go to my file manager and look for a song, one of the songs in my music library. Now these songs are not my songs. I'm just going to use these songs. Now I'm just going to use this song for the sake of this tutorial. So I'll drag and drop that on the website and then wait for it to upload. Now look at the size of our file, 2.8 MB. Add a description. The name of the file is Hello Darkness. So I'll just leave it this way, leave this one this way, start uploading. So you can see the progress of our file. It is being uploaded on the platform. So you can see our file right here is on our platform already. Files uploaded. These are our files already on our platform. So now I'm going to go back to my account, go back to my dashboard. I'll close this ad. Now click on files to see the files that we have uploaded. You can see we have a file here. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my dashboard right now. I'm going to go back to files. So as you can see, this is our dashboard. We don't have any referrals and we have 120 gigabytes of space to use. You can see right here 0 downloads, meaning nobody has downloaded our file yet, and we have just one file and we haven't made any sale yet. So this is where we are going to see downloads per country, and this is where you see your profit overview. Right now we have nothing yet because this is a new account that we just created. This platform is very similar to YouTube because you get paid to upload songs and listen to songs, and you also get paid when people download a song from your profile on this platform. The only big difference between this platform and YouTube is that there are no monetization requirements on this platform, unlike YouTube, because on YouTube you need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, while on this platform you just need to upload a song and start making money as quickly as possible. It's that easy, and the minimum withdrawal is just $1. Meanwhile on YouTube the minimum withdrawal is $100. So this is how you make money by uploading songs or listening to songs on this platform. I'm going to drop the link in the description so you can visit the website and check it out for yourself. This is not the only platform that pays you for listening to songs. In fact, this video right here at the top of your screen uncovers another legit platform that pays you even higher amount of money for doing the exact same thing. Or maybe you should check out this other video here where I talked about an app that literally pays you $2 per minute just for talking. I'm sure that will definitely interest you. You have 2 seconds to click any of the videos you want to watch before they disappear.